Alright, dry spice time on my chicken wings. This is how we do. Preheat your oven, 400 to 420. Bag of chicken. Teaspoon. Here back. And we zip it up, shake it down. Front side down, right? Yeah, down. And then we'll flip it halfway. Wash your hands. About 30 minutes, flip to the other side. Another 30 minutes, chicken will be done. We'll see them when they come out. Alright, like the complete fool that I am, I forgot to take them out of the oven portion, but look at those. Yum, 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 yum.
I'm already eating one. You were not gonna do.
Delicioso. How do you like them? Are they good?
I love them.
You what?
I love them.
I can't hear you. You got food in your mouth.
I love them.
Yum.